In SolidWorks, when you're trying to dimension holes, you can either do a note and type out what you're wanting, or you can quickly and easily use this hole callout tool, where you just simply click it, and it will auto-populate what the hole is supposed to be. It works best if you use the hole wizard to create your hole, such as with this counter bore. And with this, if you exit out of your hole callout tool and you double click this, we can edit all of this information that is generated in this callout. So if you wanted to change the tolerances or the number of decimal places, you can use this callout value. Let's say that we wanted the actual hole diameter to be a little bit more precise. We could drop that down. Now we can see that we have a different decimal. Or let's say we wanted the depth to be less critical. We can very easily change that diameter or that decimal place as well. Another thing you can do with holes is if you have a large array of holes that's going to be very hard to dimension each hole to, you can click Table, Hole Table. You can simply click the face, select your x-axis as this, your y-axis you can select as this, holes and edges, you can then, that's when you click the face, you then hit a check, and you get this hole table, which it's a little big with my tolerance block. So let's pop that down there. So we would need to change the font on this. So let's go to 12. And we would also need to change the spacing. Vertical padding, let's turn that down. That's a little much. There we go. Now we can drag that and anchor it right there. And now what we see is all of these A holes are the same. It's the same callout. And all of the holes labeled B are this callout. So if you have 20 different types of holes, they would all have their own letter, and any duplicate of that type of hole would have a number following the same letter. So this can be a very fast way to just create a coordinate system. This works very well for machinists when they're trying to do several holes, because they can easily put in the tools to do all of the A holes and then just crank their table to the corresponding coordinate system on their DRO. And you can also change whether it's positive or negative by flipping which side these Y's and X's are pointed on. So if we go both this way, we can see the Y's are negative, the X's are positive. If we switch this, now we can see they're both negative, or we could make the Y positive. And that is how you use hole callouts and hole tables in SOLIDWORKS.